Hello guys and welcome to Program It World. In this video we are gonna talk about the basic structure of HTML. So let's get started. So to make your first HTML web page, type in the search bar Notepad. Open Notepad. Click on File menu, Save As, and give the name of your file. Say Program It World. And after you have given your name of the file, type .html. So choose your path where you want to save your file. I want to save it on desktop. Program it world.html. Save. So guys, this .html extension tells the computer that you are creating an HTML file, so it would automatically open in your web browser. You would be thinking that why aren't we coding on our text editor? The answer to that is, when you become a programmer, you need to establish some basic habits. To that happen, we have to use Notepad. So let's get started. Type angular bracket open HTML angular bracket close. In the next line, type angular bracket open slash HTML. So what are these two tags used for? This HTML tag tells the computer that the HTML page is starting from here, and this slash HTML tag tells the computer that the HTML tag is ending over here, so the file is also ending over here. To establish the end of the tags, you have to provide front slash in the tags. You'll see this as we proceed. So type enter within these two HTML and slash HTML tags. Type head. Same to close head. Type slash head. Head tags contains information that is either to be displayed on the top of the web page or not to be displayed but in the computer's memory. Say that we can add the information that we have created, like Program It World has created this web page. Then in the HTML tag, but outside the head tags, type angular bracket open body, and same to close body, type slash body. So this is the basic structure of your HTML page. Anything you want to display on the web page, go between the body and slash body tags and type whatever you want. Say you want to get subscribe to Program It World. Let's save this. Go to the destination where we have saved this file. And here it is. Subscribe to Program It World, as we have typed here.